Hello children, today we are going to learn EVS. Lesson number 6, Water. We will know about water. Know the uses of water. Water is used for drinking, washing clothes, putting out fire, cooking, also for bathing, cleaning utensils, etc. Now, please read. All living things need water. So, everyone needs water. We cannot live without water. Plants and animals also need water. Clean water has no color, taste, and smell. Sources of water. Sources means from where do we get water? Lake, river, pond, and also from rain. From where do we get water? During summers, the snow on the mountains melts and changes into water. So what happens during the summer season? The snow of the mountain melts because the rays of the sun falls on it and it melts the snow and then it becomes water. You can see the picture of the mountains covered with snow and it is melting because it is hot. During summer the rays of the sun falls on it and then the water melts. Sources of underground water. Underground means underneath. So now you can see the picture of hand pump, well, tube well. Generally now we don't find this. In villages we can find the hand pump, well or tube well. Some rainwater goes under the soil. It collects water as underground water. Now how can we store water? So storage of water, we can store water in different types of containers. You can see the picture of bucket, tank and drum. So we can keep water in it. Now how to save water? Do not leave the tap open while brushing teeth. When you brush teeth, you should not open the tap. After brushing, you can open the tap and you can clean it. Turn off the taps properly to avoid leakage. Whenever you are using the taps, you should turn it off. Use a mug and a bucket to take a bath. So if you use mug and bucket to take bath, then you will not waste water. We should not waste water. We should save water. So that's all for today. Children, next day we will learn any other lesson. Till then, bye. Have a good day.